Before we get started, let me quickly tell you what you are going to gain from this video. By the end of this teaching, you will clearly understand how YouTube actually works behind the scenes, why some videos go viral while others don't, and the exact principles you need to start getting views even as a beginner. So if you've been struggling to grow your channel, this video will change your understanding completely. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that will help you grow faster on YouTube. Now, let's begin. Let me ask you something. Have you ever spent hours creating a video, editing it, uploading it, feeling excited, only to get little or no views? Meanwhile, someone else posts a simple video and it gets thousands, even millions of views. Why does that happen? Is it luck? Is it subscribers? Or is there something happening behind the scenes? Here's the truth. There is a system behind YouTube, and once you understand it, everything changes. Now, listen carefully. YouTube is not about uploading videos. It is about understanding how people behave and how YouTube responds to that behavior. If you miss this, you will struggle. But if you understand this, you gain control. The first thing you must understand, YouTube is a business. And like every business, it has one main goal: to make money. For a novice, this is the single most important idea to grasp. YouTube isn't a free video library created for your convenience. It's a massive company. Its profit comes from selling attention. Advertisers pay YouTube to show ads to viewers, and YouTube keeps a cut of that money. So, to make the most money, YouTube's system, the algorithm, has one simple job: keep people watching for as long as possible. The more time people spend on the platform, the more ads they see, and the more money YouTube makes. Therefore, everything you see on YouTube, the trending page, the recommended videos, the autoplay feature, is designed with that one goal in mind. It doesn't promote videos because they are good or educational. It promotes the videos that are best at holding viewers' attention. So, if you want to understand why certain videos go viral or why your own might not get views, you just have to remember this. YouTube's algorithm isn't working for you, it's working for YouTube's profit. Your success on the platform depends on your ability to help YouTube achieve its main goal: keeping people glued to the screen. The key things you must know. 1. Click-through rate. This means, do people click your video? If people don't click, nothing else matters. Think of CTR as your video's first impression. It's the handshake before the conversation begins. YouTube shows your thumbnail and title to a group of people. If a high percentage of them click, YouTube thinks, "Oh, this seems interesting," and recommends it to more people. If nobody clicks, YouTube stops trying. For a novice, here's the simple truth. You can have the most amazing video in the world, but if the thumbnail and title don't grab attention, it will never be seen. CTR is the gatekeeper. No click, no viewers. A good CTR is usually around 5 to 10%, but the real goal is consistency. Getting people to click every time you post, not just once in a while. YouTube rewards creators who reliably make people curious enough to click. 2. Watch time. How long do people watch? The longer they stay, the better your video performs. If CTR is what gets people through the door, watch time is what keeps them in the room. YouTube pays close attention to how long viewers actually stick around, not just whether they clicked. For a novice, here's the key. A 1-minute video where people watch the whole thing can be great, but a 20-minute video where people watch most of it is far more valuable to YouTube. Why? Because more watch time means more ads were shown, and that means more money for YouTube. So YouTube naturally favors videos that hold attention for longer periods. Watch time also reveals something important: whether your video delivered on the promise of your title and thumbnail. If people click but leave after a few seconds, YouTube learns that your video was misleading or boring. It will stop recommending it. The goal is simple. Hook viewers in the first 15 to 30 seconds, then give them a reason to stay until the very end. Every minute they watch is a signal to YouTube that your content is worth sharing with more people. 3. Audience retention. Do they stay or leave? If people leave early, your video will struggle. Audience retention is like a map of exactly where viewers lose interest or stay engaged. It shows YouTube the specific moments people click away and the moments they rewatch or hang on. For a novice, think of it this way. Imagine telling a story to a friend. If they walk away in the middle, you know you lost them. YouTube tracks this second by second. A video with strong retention, where most viewers watch most of the way through, tells YouTube this video is valuable. People actually want to see it. What makes retention tricky is the beginning. Most drop-offs happen in the first 30 seconds. That's why creators obsess over their intro. No long logos, no rambling, no ums. They get straight to the point or tease what's coming. But retention matters at the end too. If viewers consistently watch until the final second, YouTube sees that as a powerful signal. It often responds by pushing that video to even more people. The simple rule: study your retention graph. Where people dip, cut the fluff. Where they stay, do more of that. Keep viewers watching moment by moment, and YouTube will keep recommending your video long after it's posted. And if this is already helping you understand YouTube better and you are new here, take a second right now to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because I'll be breaking down YouTube growth step by step in a way that is easy to understand. Why YouTube is a very good major source of income if approached with the right information. YouTube is not just a platform, it is a powerful income engine, but only when you understand how it works. Many people fail because they treat it like a hobby. Those who succeed treat it like the business it truly is. When you approach YouTube with the right information, several income streams open up. Ad revenue. Once you qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, YouTube pays you a share of the ad money your videos generate. Consistent uploads with strong watch time can turn into a reliable monthly paycheck. Sponsorships. Brands pay creators to feature their products. When you build an audience that trusts you, companies will pay you directly, often far more than ad revenue alone. Affiliate marketing. By recommending products you genuinely use, you can earn commissions on sales without creating or shipping anything yourself, selling your own products or services. A loyal audience becomes your customer base. Whether it's merchandise, courses, consulting, or digital products, YouTube gives you free advertising to people who already know and trust you. Community and longevity. Unlike a job where you trade time for money, a YouTube channel grows into an asset. A video you upload today can continue generating views, subscribers, and income for years. The key difference between those who struggle and those who earn is simple. The successful ones learn the rules: CTR, watch time, audience retention, and work with YouTube's goal of holding attention. They treat it seriously, stay consistent, and keep improving. YouTube has turned ordinary people into millionaires, not because they got lucky, but because they understood that YouTube is a business and they showed up prepared to build one. With the right information, patience, and effort, it can be the same for you.